Bago kumakain na, tapusin mo na.
And spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so sick and so rough. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes, I cannot see. But I know that you are all staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes. 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the past happiness father and I shared.
With each other.
We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door, and a deep silence ensued. Did the proven Nippon discover our peaceful home? Mother ran to father's side, telling, "This is Luis. Hide in the cellar." They're in the cellar where they cannot find you. I pulled my father out, but he didn't move. He must go. His broke to the floor.
The door went down.
The door went bang.
And before us,
Before us, 5 ugly came bargaining in. Are you Captain Luis Santos? Roar the ugliest of them all.
yes. Yes.
Yes, said my father.
You are under arrest.
You are under arrest,
Said one of the big.
said one of the people.
Faithful father. Faithful father.
They pushed father roughly away from us.
And father doesn't give an chance.
Father was not given a chance to find us reply. We followed them mile after mile. We saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouths watered seeing the delicious food they were eating.
Tapos na kayo eh. Sorry. And
Then
suddenly,
suddenly, we heard a voice call. Osvaldo, Oscar, Osvaldo, Oscar. We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late.
we saw father
So father hanging on tree,
dead.
dead. Oh, it's terrible.
He had badly beaten. He had been badly beaten.
He had been badly beaten before he died.
And I cried vengeance.
And I cried out, vengeance, vengeance, vengeance. Everything went black.
The next thing I knew,
The next thing I knew, I was nursing my foreign mother. One day, we heard church bell ringing.
ding dong.
Ding dong, ding dong. It was time for us to find shelter in our hideout. But I could not leave my father's mother.
I tried to show her to the hideout. I tried to show her to the hideout. To the hideout. Then suddenly,
Suddenly, one started falling.
airplanes roaring.
Things were roaring overhead. Silence were firing everywhere. Boom! 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 Mother was hit. Her leg shattered gravely. I took her gently in my arms. And I cried.
Vengeance.
I said, vengeance.
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 No
No
Oscar.
scars.
Vengeance.
Vengeance. Not
Ours.
our death. Still coming. Okay, right out.
Vengeance.
Vengeance.
I was like a
I
pen
was
up.
a man of volcano. Forgive divine. Vengeance reserved. That was 5 years ago.